Make It Minutes.
I'm Sherry Forbes, and I'm the Professional Learning Coordinator for the Learning Resource Center South. This is my daughter, Avery.
Hi, this is Rainbow Bear.
Our theme today is bringing the fun of cooking, colors, sensory play, and learning together. We are going to see what happens when we add food coloring to cooked pasta. When completed, children can use cooked pasta for sensory and sorting.
Let's get started with some rainbow fun.
Let's start by reviewing some important terms we will be using during this activity. Primary colors. These are the main colors, red, blue, and yellow. Secondary colors. These are colors that are made by mixing primary colors together. For example, yellow and blue are primary colors mixed together to form green, secondary color. For today's activity, you will need food coloring, red, yellow, blue, Ziploc bags, pre-cooked pasta, a tablespoon, a bowl, a plate, and water. An adult to cook a pound of pasta. Pasta should be cool to the touch. Feel free to choose any type pasta. Elbow pasta makes a great learning manipulative for counting, patterns, sorting, comparing colors, and so much more. We are going to start making our color pasta with primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. Add 1 to 2 drops of red food coloring inside one storage bag. Continue by adding blue food coloring to another bag and yellow to a third, so each bag will have a different color. The more drops you add, the deeper the color will be. Then add 1 tablespoon of water to each bag. Once you have added the food coloring and water to the zippered storage bag, add a handful of cooked pasta to each bag. Zip up the bag tightly and with your hands, mix the pasta and food color gently. The more you mix the pasta and food coloring, the more colorful the pasta will be. After the pasta has reached your desired color, place the pasta on a plate to dry for approximately 10 minutes. After it is dried, you can mix all different color pasta together in one bowl to create your rainbow pasta. You can continue this activity by making additional pasta with secondary colors. Secondary colors are colors made from mixing the primary shades of red, yellow, and blue. Can you make purple, orange, or green? Have fun and explore with color. On our website, you can download an activity plan that provides the list of materials you need and step-by-step instructions.
I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Please join us next time for our new Make It Minutes activity.
And to learn more about the services provided by the LRC South, check out our website and social media platforms.